Hello guys and welcome here. So in today's video we are going to talk about the ERF function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function will return the error function integrated between a lower limit and a upper limit. So this function is pretty simple and only contains two arguments. So the first one will be the lower limit and the second one will be the upper limit. So to be able to run this function, how it works, we simply need to write down an equal sign, and then we can just write down ERF. Then we can open up our parentheses, and just like that you have the two arguments that will be used. So the first one will be the lower limit, so we can enter it right here, and the second one will be the upper limit that we have just here. Once it's all done, we can just click on enter, and we are going to receive our answer just like that. So this is how we use the ERF function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you like this video and want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, you can check out the link down below with all my courses. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.